Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because there was no pressure on the gauge and it was possibly the water pump, which in this case it definitely was. It was the water pump plus the three-way solenoid, but this little guy over here needed to be replaced as well. So we replaced those and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna test out the machine and start with some hot water so we can clean our cup. And then we're gonna put the shot. Good, and now there you go. Thin tapper property, that's why we only get one spout instead of the two. But right now it's in the espresso range. It's a little bit too fine for this machine, but still is able to keep up. Just gonna leave it at 1 ounce. And yeah, the grind is a little too fine for this machine. As you can see, we have really liquid water flow coming out there. And now for the steam. Forgot to put the 2 screws over here. We're gonna do it later. Now it's building up some pressure in there. Perfect, that's the way it should come out. There's a little bit clogged in there. And there you have it. Breville working once again. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. And please subscribe to our channel to not come to release every day. And I'm definitely putting these 2 screws.